A Cybertruck owner complained that the door of his Cybertruck opened while driving with baby in the back seat. The incident occurred in the night when the door flew wide open, while on the on-ramp to a freeway, with 1-year-old daughter sitting in the passenger's seat in her car seat. Luckily the door didn't hit anybody. The latch was completely broken, with one of the screw holding the latch missing and another one loose in itself. We suspect that the missing screw loosened itself due to the vibration from the truck. This could have been a major disaster. Someone could have been injured or killed. The owner had to drive the truck in the night back home, and the door was not getting locked or closed. The owner's family was holding the door closed physically with their hand, so that they can get home. Hoping this isn't a production quality issue with Tesla and not a recall again.